So what is B-State? Probably the most common question I get these days. Well, let's make it simple. B stands for breakthrough. And this is all about getting rapid breakthrough results. Not just with your business, but also with your culture. Because quite honestly, what we've discovered is you have to change the culture if you want to sustain breakthrough business results. You can't just have the same old culture that's tied to old results if you want to get breakthrough results. So what does that require? It requires changing mindset as well as changing fundamental habits of behavior that you've been using to get your A-state results. A-state meaning your current state. So we're going from A to B, a transformational state in rapid time. Accountability is what this is founded on. For the last 35 years, I've been focused on accountability. And that's been great for getting improvements, and it's been great for improving culture as well as business results. But what was missing was how do you get those breakthrough results that's going to make a huge difference in a short period of time. So we're going from accountability to breakthrough. And what do we mean by breakthrough? Well, let me give you a couple of examples. A multinational company that needed to centralize from being decentralized, and they're existing in 4 different continents. We actually completed that centralization project in half the time they expected, 9 months instead of 18 months. And a medical center that was about to go out of business or be bought out because they've been operating in the red, and within 9 months, they're operating in the black. They've improved their quality, they've improved their retention, and now they're thriving in their community, keeping their regional values and the community support that they wanted to provide. So, this is the time to learn about a whole new way of approaching change through B-State, a new roadmap for bold leadership, brave culture, and breakthrough results. To get the best offers, pre-order now by going to bstate.com.